Hi, in today's video I want to talk about vision boards. Why vision boards work. In fact, you can make your own vision board while watching my video today. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button for further notifications. This way, you won't miss any of my next videos. If you are online as much as I am, you will definitely want to try out this manifestation method. Create your own vision board and then set it as a wallpaper on your mobile phone or your PC, so that every time you open any of them, your vision board will be the first thing you see. If you like physical vision boards better, you can print it out in different dimensions and place it in a lot of places in your home. I want to give you a small introduction on what vision boards are and why are they so effective if you want to manifest. Vision boards are visual elements of the things that you desire to manifest in your life. The great thing about vision boards is that you can place all of your desire that you would like to manifest. And by watching them again and again, you bring them to life. You feel their presence more, and therefore you attract them in your experience. You set your intention to the universe, but you must also add the right positive attitude and the right expectation in order for it to come. The universe will send you small signs at the beginning, so just try to recognize those signs and to appreciate them. We humans are very visual, so this method is really powerful if you use it correctly. The more you see it, the more you believe it, and the more you believe it, the more you attract it in your experience. If you want to maximize the effectiveness of this process, I suggest that you put it in a lot of places in your home, as well as your mobile phone and your PC or your tablet. I like to place it near my bed, so that is the last thing that I see in the evening and the first thing that I see in the morning. Try to feel the excitement of your desire every time you look at your vision board, because the more feeling you put into it, the faster it will manifest. That is why you should pay attention when you choose your photos. When you pick the photos for your vision board, try to pick those photos that make you feel really good. You can add simple words that describe what is it that you want. Your board is your creation, so feel free to add whatever you want. You can be really specific. Write down every detail. You can add things you would like. Maybe a new house, or a new car, a new relationship, a new job, the places you would love to visit, the college you would like to go to, the body weight you desire, or simply the things you love to do. You could add things like hanging out with your friends, like finding new exciting places to go out or meet uplifting people. This is how I do my vision board. I select the photos that make me feel really good about my desire. This is really important because if you add a feeling when you look at them, it is more effective. I choose the photos that make me feel good. You can also manipulate them a little bit to match your desire better. For instance, I have made a $1 million check. This was really fun. I really enjoyed doing that. For this, you will need a photo editor like Photoshop, but if you don't have it, you can use GIMP as well. You can download it for free. I will give you the link in the description. To set up your vision board, you can use something easier like a free online collage maker, where you just drag and drop your photos. I have found photocollage.com to be quite easy to use, so I will use this one for my vision board today. This works on PC, tablets, and smartphones as well. See the link in the description if you want to give it a try. First, you pick the background color. I will pick this one, is lovely. Then I write on the top something like, what is on this vision board already exists. And then I give my vision board a title like my vision board. I want more money. So let's say I add a picture of somebody holding money, and I also add my $1 million check that I have created to myself with my own name on it. I also want to lose some weight. I added a couple of pictures of me from last year where I was slightly thinner than I am right now. I want more subscribers on YouTube and Instagram, so I made a screenshot of my YouTube channel and I added 500,000 subscribers. The same I did with Instagram. I wrote 100,000 followers. I am not on Instagram very much, but I want to be more active in the future. Travel. I love to go on holiday once or twice a year. I love summer, so I am adding a beautiful seaside picture to my board. If you know a specific place you would like to go to, then give it a search. You can add your favorite town and place it on your board. I will add personal growth, and I will add I want to feel more positive, more secure, to have more fun, and free time. I love white cars, so I added a beautiful white car, and I would also like to live in a luxury home. I also love music, so I will add something related to music. You can add new things as they come up. I think I'm done with my vision board. You can save it depending on what you want to do with it. You can save it on your PC or you can print it. The universe is really eager to respond to your requests. How fast can you manifest? If you feel good while you watch your vision board, then it will manifest really fast. Make it fun. Use this opportunity and place your vision board everywhere. At your home, at your office, put it on a wall, beside your bed. Some things will manifest faster and some things will manifest slower. It depends on how you allow it. Simply acknowledge that this is your board. These are your desires. You have the power to open the door and let them in your life. Don't let others influence you or discourage you, because they will probably see your vision board if you place it everywhere. I hope my video inspires you to make your own vision board as well, because I am really excited about this process, and I highly recommend that you make your own vision board if you don't already have one. Thank you for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye.